and today I'm going to show you how to create a sub branch in GitHub. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open Safari or Chrome. So for this, I'm going to open Safari, and here I'll type GitHub. Let's log in inside GitHub, and I will choose any branch. As you can see, there are many branches over here. I will click on Show More, or this is vote system. I will go inside this branch, and here we are in dev branch. By default, I have created a branch named with dev branch. So let's see if you see find or create branch. So let's type something sub dev branch. So I have created sub dev branch. Now I will click on this button. This branch got created. You can see over here. This is one step. Second step is that I'm going to go inside this project folder. So I'll go inside all project folder, the vote, and over here, this is the path. So for this, I'll open command prompt and I'll go inside that folder. Desktop, then we have all projects. And again, we have this the vote file. Let's check the branch name. As you can see, we are inside that branch and there is only one branch over here. So to fetch the new branch, we will type command git fetch. Let me zoom in. So here you can see git fetch we will type. Now it will fetch the new branch or new data. So you can see over here, this is new branch, sub branch. So I will check out git check out. Let's copy this branch name and I'll paste over here. Now if I'll type git branch, you can see this is coming as green and there is star over here. So we are inside sub dev branch now. This is one method to create branch in GitHub or GitLab. There is also one more way you can create branch through command prompt or terminal or git bash. That is from here we can create branch. That I will show you in the upcoming video. For this video, I will show you one more thing, that is how to create a merge request or pull request. Merge request comes inside GitLab and pull request come inside GitHub. So let's create a merge request or pull request. To do so, I'll create a file. So I forgot the command name. I think this is touch or test.txt. It should work. Okay, let's type ls. And here we have test.txt. We have a new file. I'm gonna add it. Git add test.txt. Now let's use git k. So local changes here you can see this is test.txt. I will close this. I'll come over here. Now I'm gonna commit it. Git commit -m add text file. Okay, commit is done. Now I'm going to push this code. Git push. Let's hit enter. By default, it will push the code into the default branch, which is sub branch. You can see here sub branch, and one change. Now let's go to GitHub. So we are inside GitHub. Here, we must see a file name. Let's refresh that screen. And now we have test.txt. You can see this is here and no. Now, if you change the branch name, which is default branch, there is no such file. Now we'll go back to the sub branch. And from here, we will compare and pull request. You can see this button is coming. Sub branch had recent pushes 1 minute ago. Let's click on this button. And here we will type something like add. Okay, I think it was there already. Add text file. I will create a pull request. I have created a pull request. So it is in open state. Now I will go back to the same branch. Let's go to this dev branch and able to merge. Okay, now this button is coming view pull request. Let's click on this button. Here you can see merge pull request. You can add any comment. Add text file. This is the commit and this is the file. Go back here. We can write that reviewed some spelling mistake. Let's fix it. Reviewed the text file. Now let's close with comment. We can close with comment. Otherwise, we can just merge the pull request. Let's merge it, and it is asking for confirmation. Let's confirm it. Now our code is merged. Okay. If we go back to previous branch, now we are able to see this text file. Let's come back to terminal. I'll show you one more thing. If you do clear then ls, you can see test.txt file is here. But if we switch back to dev branch, let's check it out. ls, let's enter ls only. There is no text file. Here it is test.txt after target, but it is not here in this. So to fetch this data, we will use a command pull. That is git pull origin. We can type origin and then dev something like this. Let's hit enter. If the command is correct, then you can see the request is completed. And here we have new file, create mode test.txt. Let's type ls again. Now we have this file. So we have created one file. What we did, we have created one file on our local, on different branch. And then we pushed this file to the server. From server, we created merge request and merged the request. Then we fetched back this file into different branch. So that's for all today. We will meet in next tutorial where I will show you more GitHub command. Thanks for watching.